Wait lang. You're late again. Third time this week. Christmas traffic ba sa kama mo? Exactly. My bed loves me so much kapag December eh. Just admit it. Nag-makeup ka na naman kasi. Okay, fine. Kunti lang. Pang Christmas vibe. Right? Kunti lang. As in full glam. Excuse me. Natural glow to. Natural glow daw tapos hanggang mamaya uwi and super fresh pa rin. Wag ako. But seriously, how do you always look put together kahit puyat ka? Alaga Maybelline lang yan. This is the Maybelline 1111 gift box. Starting off with the Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. Matte siya pero may healthy glow. Like skin but better. Hindi malagkit, hindi cakey, and it lasts the whole day kahit mainit or maulan. Next is the Fit Me Fresh Tint. Parang skin filter in real life. Light lang siya pero nakaka-fresh instantly. Perfect for school days or errands. This is the Instant Eraser. Literal na lifesaver sa eye bags. One swipe lang, goodbye puyat look. This one's my favorite. The Sun Kisser Liquid Blush. It melts on your skin parang natural kinilig flush. This is the Super Stay Flex Powder naman. Smooth but breathable. No cakey finish kahit tag-init sa classroom. Next, this Super Stay Teddy Tint. It's soft, juicy, and perfect for everyday look. Pag gusto mo naman ng bold, layer it with the Super Stay Matte Ink. It's smudge-proof, long-lasting kahit mag-milk tea ka pa ng 3 beses. And this is the Sky High Mascara. Instant lash lift. Parang lash extensions. And last, this is the Super Lock Brow Glue. It keeps your brows in place. Kahit ilang quizzes pa yan, hindi siya sumusuko. Starting from November 1 to 7, get 35 to 40% off on your favorite Maybelline products, while on November 8 to 11, prepare for 11/11 Super Slay deals and buy one take one offers. In fairness, ang ganda mo, pang Christmas fair queen. I told you, alagang Maybelline lang to. Tapos alam mo ba, may 11/11 sale sila. Nakakainis yung pa-araw effect after the promo. Ganun talaga. Send ko yung mga link sa'yo ha, para kapag nag-checkout ka, may mga commission ako. Ewan ko sa'yo. Wait, nagpa-lip filler ka ba? Bakit ang plump, ang glossy, and no lines at all? Fillers? Girl, hindi kaya. It's just strawberry milk magic. Stop lying. Tell me your secret. Kasi meron ako nito, the Shiglam Crystal Glaze Lip Care. Instant lip plump. Even Kardashians would call this pro. Best part, it hides lines and gives color. Care plus tint, one stick, done. Kalkal kung kalkal ka dyan ha. Naghahanap kasi ako ng bagong lipi. Oh, found it. Wait lang. Anong amoy yun? Ba't ang bango? Parang amoy rom-com na sweet. Berry smoothie. Sweet, fresh, tapos may fruity vibes. Girl, ang ganda. Pero, what if ayoko na may kulay? Eh di you need the Candyline. It's clear and glossy. This shade is actually perfect for those dry, tight lips after long wear matte tints. Ayoko na. Naiinggit na ako sa'yo. Bigyan mo nga ako. Bigyan mo ako na isa! Click the yellow basket and you can get these. One stick, total lip glow up. Care plus color in one. Seriously, grab yours now. Aga-aga, nakaayos ka kaagad. May date ka? Girl, nakaayos ka rin, wag ako. Pero di ba pwede ka kagabi? Like, nag-edit ka until 2 a.m.? Yeah, pero gusto ko lang talaga maligo, mag-ayos. Parang gusto ko lang i-reset yung araw ko, alam mo yun? Eh parang hindi ka lang malinis eh. Ang fresh mo na, tapos amoy spa ka pa. Anong gamit mo? Well, I've been using the Cloud Beauty Body Wash. These are the Cloud Beauty Body Wash. There are actually 2 variants. One is for whitening, hydrating, and brightening. Then the other one is my favorite. It's for anti-acne na may cooling relief kaya masarap gamitin kahit pagod or mainit. Both are gentle and pH balanced kaya safe kahit araw-araw. I'm sold. Baka yan muna i-add ko sa healing era ko. Tama yan girl, ligo muna bago heal. Parang na-offend naman ako bigla. Naligo na ako. Naligo ka na ba? Sorry. Check. OMG, Neil, I'm sorry, medyo na-traffic lang. Sus, wala yun, Pati. Basta ba ikaw? Kaya ko maging patient all the time. Ikaw naman, masyado mo akong pinapakilig. Ikaw nga, wala ka pang ginagawa. Kinikilig na agad ako eh. Ikaw ha? You like me very much. Hindi lang very much. Very much most yes na yes, pak na pak. You're so funny talaga. Tara na. Let's order food. Waiter. Yes, sir. Mag-order na kami. Ano sa'yo, Pati? I'll have a buttermilk bread, salted chicken. Sorry, sweet and spicy chicken. Wait, parang masarap yung plain, no? Nakakatakam. Beans on toast. Wait, parang mas gusto ko yata yung wheat bread lang, tapos butter, and then waffle na may...
Sumasakit na yung ulo ko sa gutom. Matagal pa ba?
And I'll have soft drinks and wine, please. That's all.
Wow, Kayo po, sir. Gamot. Kung ano yung order niya, yun na lang yung sa akin. Painira po ng moment, no? Ha? Yung sakit ng ulo mo, sir? Isari dun mo na yan. Hindi lang pang headache, painlahatan pa. You're welcome, sir.
Sumakit pala ulo mo? Dahil ba sa akin? I'm indecisive kasi kaya napatagal yung pag-order ko.
Ayos lang. Nawala na yung sakit. Ang importante, mabusog ka. Tama nga yung waiter. No more painira na moment. Sasari dun. Here's your order po. Oh, bakit salad lang to? Appetizer to? Nice. Hindi po. Ha? Sa dami niya sinabi, yan lang po yung order ni ma'am.
4 countries in 1 month. Girl, you are insane. Sobrang yaman mo. Ganun talaga kapag mayor yung daddy ko. Just kidding. E di nag-business class ka na naman. Of course. Pero nagkaroon ng problema nung una, nakaka-stress. My dad's assistant was so stupid. I think she was trying to sabotage me. She put me in the economy class. Economy. Can you even imagine that? I mean, I'm not sitting in the economy like a regular person. Duh. Pero di ba may private jet kayo? Bakit hindi na lang yun yung ginamit nyo? Private jet? Oh. Daddy, please, let me use our private jet.
Denise, hindi nga pwede. Mainit mga mata sa akin ng mga kasamahan ko. Parang natunugan na kasi nila na I didn't even distribute the donations that I got from them ng bagyo. Sa mata nila, binulsa ko lahat ng mga yun.
Which is true. Kinwento mo kaya sa amin ni mommy yun? Tapos di ba, Daddy, I got a quarter of that donation?
At hindi nila pwedeng malaman yun. You know what? Maglaylo ka muna sa mga travels or sa pag-shopping mo. Stay away from social media as well dahil maraming sumasabit na politicians dahil sa mga stubborn children nila.
Kainis naman.
But don't worry, itadivert ko yung attention nila by visiting the orphanage. Kailangan ko muna magpakitang tao. Makinig ka muna sa akin ngayon, Denise.
Dad!
End of discussion.
The private jet was not available kasi parang may naayos yata. But anyway, I was so much sa assistant talaga. Parang gusto niya akong pahirapan.
Just be grateful na nakakapag-travel ka.
Also, upgrades are limited. Baka she put you in the economy class kasi naubusan na. Stupid pa rin siya. And Jamie, for the love of someone, this is my grateful face, okay? So manahimik ka na lang if you don't have anything nice to say. You're always trying to be a bad friend, right, Kara?
I'm not trying to be a bad friend. I'm just saying na hindi lahat ng tao nakakapag-travel.
Also, your dad's assistant was just doing her job. Oh, please, Jamie, don't preach to me. Hindi ko fault na my life is better. That's just how the world works. Some are born to suffer, some are born, well, like me.
Yeah, born with the taxpayers' money.
Ano sabi mo? My dad works hard for the city.
Works hard, wala nga natatapos sa projects under his leadership. Be for real, Denise.
Dad, ikaw ba yung tinutukoy sa news?
Ayon sa kasalukuyang investigasyon, limpak-limpak na pondo ng lungsod na nakalaan para sana sa infrastruktura, kalusugan at social programs ay umano'y nailihis sa mga pribadong account na konektado sa mayor ng lungsod na to. Nagkalat ang mga peking dokumento, ghost projects at kaliwat kanan sa buhatan ng mga kontratista. Wala pa ring pahayag mula sa tanggapan ng mayor habang nananawagan naman ang mga mamamayan ng pananagutan. Jessica Rivera, nag-uulat.
Dad, paano na ako? Paano na kami nila, mommy? It's also all over the social media. Pinupuli na nila ako sa comment section. Akala ko ba walang makakaalam?
Don't worry, anak. I'll fix this, okay? Babayaran ko lang sila and besides, kakampi natin yung gobyerno. Lilipas din yan, matatabunan ng ibang issues, makakalimutan ng mga tao.
I've been trying to call you but you girls are not answering the phone. My gosh, I'm glad I found you here. I need comfort. Kasi hindi maganda yung morning ko. Like, people are so gullible. They are all over my comment section saying my family is corrupt. Naniniwala sila masyado sa fake news. Bias naman itong mga cheap journalists na to. Hindi ba? Jamie. Huh? Hindi ba totoo? Stop being clueless. Aware ka. Alam yung lahat yan. Tsaka hindi lang yun sabi-sabi, Denise. May audit, may documents, may evidence. Alam mo, Jamie, kontrabida ka talaga. These so-called documents are probably for my dad's enemies. You know how politics works and my dad is respected. Hindi siya corrupt.
Kaya lang naman nagtagal yan daddy mo kasi binibili niya lahat ng mga dapat magsalita. Officials, media, and even voters. And you? Isa kang poster child ng nakaw na yaman. Yung mga relief goods at mga donations na para sa mga nasalanta, ayun. Napunta dyan sa closet nyo as designer bags, designer shoes, and designer clothes. Yung kasadang dapat tapos na, ayun, binabahanan naman, sira na naman kasi bulok yung materials na ginamit eh.
You think
you're better than me? Oo, kasi hindi naman kami kumakain ng isang pagkain na galing sa nakaw. Hindi kami natutulog sa isang kama na binili gamit yung perang dapat pambayad sa ospital. Hindi kami bumabiyahe or nagta-travel gamit ang isang private jet na galing sa buwis ng isang taong naglalakad araw-araw dahil walang maayos na public transportation. Jamie, you're so cruel. Alam mo, Denise, kung iniisip mo na luxury defines you, wake up. You're not powerful. You're pitiful. You only shine just because your family steals the electricity. Kapag bumagsak na yung pamilya mong korap, especially your dad, you'll be left with nothing but the shame of his name. Piece of advice, Kara. Pwede ka pang magbago. Pwede pang magbago isip mo. Don't let her buy you. Kara?